Hey friends, long time no see. I'm here about to eat a parfait and go skate. A few of you have asked me to upload a skate video so I can actually show the skates in action, and it's been cold, so I've been skating inside, and I'm finally just gonna put on some clothes and go in my garage and skate. I don't skate a lot in the street in my neighborhood because my neighbors all drive like way too fast to be in a residential area. But anyways, whatever. I'm gonna go in my garage and have some skate time. I will insert clips of me skating prior to this. I'm sure the aspect will be all different because it was for like Instagram and TikTok, but enjoy. I couldn't go up the last time because these are stiff. I mean steep, that's the word. And my toe stops are so, they're not as, like they're slick against this. Teacher editing me here with my kids. Sorry if you hear the movie playing in the background, but I just wanted to say that there's nothing wrong with the toe stops. I have mine adjusted really high because I do a lot of, I practice doing a lot of dance, artistic skating. So they weren't lowered where they would be more useful in a hilly or park setting. So it's not the toe stops, it's me in this instant. Okay, thanks, bye. outside for maybe almost an hour, but then I got just cold. Yeah, we got cold outside. Well, not we, I got cold outside. I'm sure you hear my baby in my arm right now. But I enjoyed it. I hope to get more skate content up. I've had these skates for what? I don't know, honey. Levi, can you not yell at me? Cool. I see. I've had these skates for I don't know how long now. A good couple months. They get better with time. They break in super easy. Yeah, I have nothing bad to say about them so far. So if you have them, if you have the Chaya Melrose Elites, tell me how you like them. If you wanted a review, I have that posted. So this is just an update of me skating and making sure I still love them as much as I did when I first got them. And I do, and I will continue to update you as I continue breaking them in and maybe one day tearing them up. Okay, bye.